Today we are going to talk about hepatic extraction ratio or ER. ER means extraction ratio or hepatic extraction ratio. So this hepatic extraction ratio is the effect of first pass metabolism on the bioavailability is expressed as the extraction ratio. Hepatic extraction ratio is nothing but the effect of first pass metabolism on bioavailability or systemic bioavailability. So this hepatic extraction ratio can be calculated as the clearance by the liver and hepatic blood flow. So clearance means capital CL and Q is the hepatic blood flow. So it is calculated by the clearance from the liver and hepatic blood flow, right? So we can simply say that it is the fraction of the drug removed from the blood by the liver. Hepatic extraction ratio is the fraction. It's the fraction of the drug which is removed from the blood by the liver. So we can say that drugs with high first pass metabolism will have high hepatic extraction ratio. Drugs with high first pass metabolism will have high hepatic extraction ratio. But the difference between high first pass metabolism and hepatic extraction, first pass metabolism occurs in the portal blood, in the gut wall, and in the liver. But means we can say that first pass metabolism is related with the hepatic extraction ratio. But first pass metabolism, that doesn't mean it is the hepatic extraction ratio. Because in first pass metabolism, that first pass metabolism occurs in the gut wall, portal blood, or in the liver. So we can say that drugs with high first pass metabolism will have high hepatic extraction ratio. So what is the clinical significance of this hepatic extraction ratio? Systemic bioavailability, which is denoted by the letter capital F. Systemic bioavailability of the drug depend upon two things: extent of absorption, which is denoted as the small f, and hepatic extraction ratio is the ER. So systemic bioavailability is depend upon the extent of absorption and hepatic extraction ratio. So it is possible that drug may get completely absorbed in the gut but still may have bioavailability less than 100% due to high hepatic extraction ratio. Means the drug may get completely absorbed in the gut but still it is not 100% bioavailability. It is less than 100% bioavailability because of hepatic extraction, high hepatic extraction. So capital F is the systemic bioavailability is equal to extent of absorption into 1 minus extraction ratio. So we'll take example of morphine. Morphine is completely absorbed in the gut. That means extent of absorption is 1. So that loss in the gut is negligible because it is completely absorbed in the gut. But hepatic extraction ratio is 0.67, high hepatic extraction ratio. So bioavailability of morphine is calculated 1 into 1 minus 0.67. 0.67 is the hepatic extraction ratio. So bioavailability comes to the 33%. Bioavailability comes to the 33%. Though the drug will get completely absorbed in the gut, but bioavailability is not 100% because of high hepatic extraction ratio. So this is the clinical significance of hepatic extraction ratio.